harvest some calamansi. Oh, these are shiso seeds. I'm going to save them for next season. We have a lot of calamansi. Look at those. And they are turning orange, or calamandi. I'm going to make calamansi juice. It smells so good. This calamansi smells so good. They look beautiful. Look under the blue sky. On a bowl. There you go. Let's put this back outside. I'm about to prepare our weekend brunch. It's gonna be shrimp, tomatoes, potatoes, and leafy greens. So let's harvest some leafy greens in the garden. We have the basil here. We can harvest the basil, or let's check on the kale. We have kale too. Maybe this kale. Let's do chard instead. Let's harvest this like a Swiss chard. There you go. This is Swiss chard from last season. And basil too. Now let's slice the potatoes. I need some potatoes too. This is done. Now I'm adding the potatoes. Now let's add the tomatoes. Let's season a bit more of this like seafood seasoning. I added the vegetables, basil and Swiss chard. Eggs. And then the shrimp. Here is brunch. Now I am making calamansi juice. Some of this like calamansi, they are like really huge. Like compare, for example, this and this. See? Here. There you go.
Oh my gosh, I can.
Okay,
I can only hold it from under.
Okay. There's scrambled eggs, potatoes, tomatoes, leafy greens, and shrimp. And then we have the... What are you having, Josh?
Calamansi juice.
Oh, it's the calamansi juice. Josh.
Good.
For dinner, I am baking polenta and then grilling some shrimp. So it's gonna be baked polenta and grilled shrimp. Yeah, if you can turn it off. Polenta is here. I'm using this. We got this from the Italian grocery store, Cavaretta. To this place, this is an Italian deli. They have a lot of awards. They've been here since 1959. Look at this one, the polenta. I'm going to use maybe a cup of this. or maybe half a cup. Let me check. Half a cup is probably enough, or we can have it for breakfast tomorrow too. You can warm it up and then add some salsa or something. I would need half a cup polenta, like this, and then 2 cups of water.
Hi, Mom.
Hi Josh, are you helping?
Yes.
And then butter, about a teaspoon, probably, like about like this size. Butter, like this size, and then salt. Thank you, Josh. That's the salt. Not here. This one. Maybe Josh is going to help me with the salt.
How do I?
Oh, okay. There we go. Okay. Thank you. Enough.
It's salty.
No, it's perfect. And then just bake this for about 30 minutes, and then try to stir halfway. I already have the preheated oven, like 350 degree, a preheated oven. Excuse me, Josh. I need basil on the polenta, and here's my basil harvest. Here's the polenta now. Let's add corn. Let's add corn first. Cheese. Let's mix. Add some cheese. And let's add heavy cream. About half a cup heavy cream. I'm using this hi Josh, Horizon heavy cream. About half a cup. Let's check if this is enough. Ooh, look at that. This is super yummy polenta. It's easier to bake polenta than to like cook it on a stovetop and then have to stir it constantly. This is more of a lazy way to cook polenta. This is like basil from the backyard garden. I'm just adding a little bit since this is like more of like pretty strong taste. Let's add basil in here and then cook it for another like about 8 minutes. There you go. I'm going to grill the shrimp here. Yeah. So this is polenta and grilled shrimp. Time to flip this. And here's our polenta.
Oh my gosh, it smells so good.
Yeah, I know. It smells so... I wish you could smell this. It smells so very, very yummy. This is polenta with corn and basil. We're here in Glendale, and husband went to Sipan Meat Market to get some kebab. And then right across the street, there's Dave's Hot Chicken. There is, what other restaurants? This one, Burrito Bomba. Sounds interesting. Oh, the Starbucks. Just the Starbucks right across the street, but I think it's closed. Or it's only drive-through.
It isn't close.
Going to Planet Beauty. They have stuff on sale. I like this product. This is what I have been using. I used to use this one. But they're both Rodial. This nail polish. That one too. Oh. Bye. Bye. And now we're going to Starbucks.
A-R-B-U-C-K-S.
It's one.
Yep.
S-T-A-R.
What do you want, Josh? Jumbo juice or Starbucks? Starbucks. But Starbucks is gone. Oh no, it's still here at Starbucks because Josh wants dragon fruit lemonade. Josh?
Can I have a dragon fruit lemonade, please?
Yeah. What size do you want to do?
Can I have plenty?
Venti?
Thank you.
Okay. Anything else?
I'll have. What are you looking, Josh? Do you notice, Josh, the coffee belt is in the middle? No? Right? The coffee belt is this one, like this, right?
Yes.
Having. What are you having, Josh? I'm having the usual caramel. Cheers. Sincerely, Syria, we are going to try that very soon.
I want to.
We are going to swimming. Hi, Josh. Are you ready for your class? Husband and Josh went to Trader Joe's. While waiting for them, I'll show you what I got from Planet Beauty earlier. So I got this bee venom from Rodial, made of bee venom, harvested from a farm in New Zealand. This is moisturizer. And then I got the eye cream. This is the eye cream. And then so those are the stuff that I got. All of these are free. So this is the moisturizer. The moisturizer is $145. And then the eye cream is almost the same. Oh, it's more expensive actually. It's $155. And then so the rest, aside from this one, I got this one too, OPI, and I got 3 of those I bought. This color, and then I have another one, this one, the pink one. The rest are free. I got a lot of free stuff. I always go there, so I already know the manager. There is one here that is worth $90 that he gave me for free. Also by Rodial. This one, also by Rodial. Vitamin C drops.